Power tools are an essential part of any woodworking shop. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of power tool use for woodworking projects. One of the most important power tools to master is the drill press. A drill press can be used for a variety of tasks, such as drilling holes for dowels, screws, and nails. It's important to use the right size and type of bit for the job and to use proper clamping techniques to secure the workpiece. Another important power tool is the router. A router can be used to shape, edge, and join wood. Miter saws are also essential power tools for woodworking projects. They're used for making crosscuts, miter cuts, and beveled cuts. It's important to use the right size and type of blade for the job and to use proper clamping techniques to secure the workpiece. Remember, power tools are an essential part of any woodworking shop. By mastering the use of power tools, you can work more efficiently and create beautiful and functional pieces of woodwork. Check the description below to learn the art of woodworking with ease. Happy woodworking!